So the most common adjustments you're probably going to make to one of these is going to be to adjust your carrier balance control so that there's no carrier in the sideband mode. You get that balanced, and the carrier oscillators underneath, get those centered in the pass band of the IF, so it sounds right. It's not cutting off the signal on the top or the bottom. And then the IF amplifier just for gain, and that pretty much is going to be it. The transmitter mixer, receiver mixer, a lot more skilled operations to deal with those. It's best to keep your golden screwdriver out of there if and you don't know what you're doing. But if it sounds okay, don't mess with it. And then you can set your dial calibration if you want. And that's the basics of it. Okay, this is the Swan SS-200, and we're going to just take a look at where the basic adjustments are in this radio, and what the basic physical layout is. This is the front end of the receiver here. The RF amplifier coils are right along the front underneath this pre-selector tuning cap, and the mixer coils are the second row right back here. The signal comes in, goes through the RF amplifier and the mixer, and then it goes over to the IF board. It goes through the noise blanker and mixes with the VFO signal. And the VFO is 5 megacycles away from the receive frequency, so it's a high frequency VFO. It goes through the crystal filter, and then goes through 2 stages of IF amplification. The signal comes from the carrier oscillator, which runs at 5 megacycles. So the difference between the signal that comes through here and the carrier oscillator is just 1 or 2 kc, which is audio frequency. So that goes to the audio amplifier. This is the transmitter mixer, and the signal goes from the transmitter mixer to the pre-driver, and then it goes from the pre-driver up into here, where the driver the broadband driver amplifier is located, and then that comes out, goes into the brick to 100 watt level, back into the in here where the Chebyshev filters are located. This is the balanced modulator here. The carrier balance control primarily is this variable pot here, a little fine touch up with this little capacitor here, and then here's the output coil for the balanced modulator. Let's turn this over. On the underside of the SS-200, we've got the carrier oscillator for the lower sideband and upper sideband. There's a little netting capacitors. There's the output adjusting coil, and then the mic preamp and the Vox unit and the audio output amp are all in this section. That's the Vox delay. So that's that. Underneath here you can see the bottom of the radio. That all these coils are really adjustable from the top. Couple of electrolytic capacitors to replace in here, but other than that, nothing to do.